She asked, do you agree with we should only pray for salvation for a loved one once and that is all, or by continually doing so are we being faithless? Well, I don't think that we'd be faithless to keep on praying. We're to pray at all times without ceasing. Um, and prayer, I think, is one of these interesting challenges. Prayer can mean different things. Are we sitting there begging, whining, griping, moaning, and complaining that God isn't doing something? Oh, Lord, save this person. Lord, save this person. Or are we praying in such a way that is really acting upon faith and essentially, Lord, I thank you that you are opening the eyes of so-and-so. Lord, thank you that you're working in the heart of so-and-so. Lord, thank you that you're going to give me opportunity, that you're already giving me opportunities to be a light to this person, to be salt in this person's life. Thank you that you're working through me to work in this person's life. And by continually thanking God, instead of begging God, but we're thanking God for those opportunities to be part of the solution. First of all, it's on your mind and so something that you're thinking about. And then by thanking him, you're already saying it's done. All right. And so I don't think it's wrong to keep on thanking him for doing that. All right. I recently have done a series. I've done a few now, but basically quantum faith, kind of what it is, what it isn't. Quantum prayer, quantum faith. I have a couple of different titles, but go ahead and check those out. They're on my YouTube channel. And I really encourage us to not be people um, who are doing the kind of prayers where we're just begging God to do stuff. That's what we don't want to do, because then it gets us into this mode of, oh, well, why haven't you done it already? Versus this place of peace to give thanks, right? And that's exactly what the Apostle Paul encourages us to do in Philippians chapter 4. We are told to be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God, and the peace of God which surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and your minds through Christ Jesus. So be anxious for nothing, but in everything by prayer and supplication, here it goes, with thanksgiving. That is super important. That's Philippians 4, 6, and 7. So with thanksgiving is the key, because it's with thanksgiving that we're really operating in a sense of trust, we're operating in a sense of faith, and we're believing what God has said. So, so that's what we want to get at.